Let me tell you a story that might just change the way you think about money forever. Just a few years ago, I was working a regular 9-to-5 job, living paycheck to paycheck, and saving every dollar I could manage. I was careful with my spending, always budgeting and looking for ways to stretch my money further. But deep down, I knew there had to be a smarter, more effective way to grow my savings. I spent countless evenings researching, reading articles, and watching videos about personal finance and investing. My breakthrough came when I realized I could start small, by investing the money I'd usually spend on coffee each day. Instead of buying a daily latte, I put that money to work for me. That tiny, consistent action sparked a powerful chain reaction. It wasn't about making huge sacrifices, but about making small, smart choices every single day. Over time, those small investments added up. My portfolio slowly grew, and before I knew it, I was watching my money multiply, eventually turning into millions. The real magic behind this transformation? Compound interest. It's your money earning more money, and then that new money earning even more, like a snowball rolling downhill and picking up speed. The best part is, you don't need to be wealthy or a financial genius to get started. Anyone can do this, no matter their background or experience. I began with just a few $100s and a genuine commitment to learn the basics of investing. I made mistakes, but I kept going and kept learning. By the end of this guide, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to take your very first step toward building wealth, no matter how small that step may seem. Remember, your journey to financial independence starts with a few key principles and the courage to begin. Let's get started together. If investing is so simple, why do most people lose money? The answer: emotions. Greed makes people buy high, fear makes them sell low. The news and hype create FOMO, leading to impulsive decisions. This isn't investing, it's gambling. Another mistake: trying to time the market. No one can do it consistently. The real secret is time in the market, not timing the market. Your biggest challenge is managing your own psychology. Stick to your plan, ignore the noise, and focus on your long-term goals. Your actions during market ups and downs will define your success. Let's get practical. If you've ever wondered how to actually start investing, this is your step-by-step guide for 2025. Here's your 2025 investing blueprint, designed for beginners and anyone looking to build wealth from scratch. First, open a brokerage account with a reputable company. It's easier than ever. Most platforms guide you through the process in just a few minutes, right from your phone or computer. You don't need thousands to get started. Even $50 or $100 is enough to begin your journey. The key is to start, no matter how small. Don't stress about picking individual stocks or trying to time the market. That's a common mistake for new investors. Instead, buy a low-cost index fund or ETF, like VOO or SPY. These funds track the entire market, so you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. This gives you instant diversification and lets you bet on the long-term growth of the U.S. economy. Automate your investments to make it effortless. Set up a recurring transfer, weekly or monthly, into your index fund. Consistency is more important than the amount. This strategy is called dollar cost averaging. It means you buy in at different prices over time, reducing your risk. Dollar cost averaging removes emotion from investing and helps you steadily build wealth over the years. Don't check your portfolio every day. The market will fluctuate, but your focus should be on the long term. Trust the process and let compound interest work its magic. Over time, your money will grow faster than you expect. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes years, not days, to see real results. There will be ups and downs, market drops are normal. Stay patient and don't let fear drive your decisions. Your only job is to keep investing regularly and avoid making emotional moves. Stay out of your own way. The market grows over time, and if you stick with it, your money will too. History shows this again and again. Start now, no matter your age or experience, and let your investments do the heavy lifting for your future self. Here's the twist that most people overlook. Your savings rate actually matters far more than the specific investments you choose. While picking the right stocks or funds can help, it's the amount you consistently save that truly accelerates your journey to wealth. The more you save and invest, the faster your wealth grows, thanks to the power of compounding. Even small amounts, when added up over time, can make a huge difference. Focus on increasing your income, whether through a side hustle, asking for a raise, or learning new skills. At the same time, cut unnecessary expenses that don't add real value to your life. Track your spending closely. You'll probably be surprised where your money actually goes each month. Awareness is the first step to making better choices. Every dollar you save is another dollar working for you, building your future and giving you more freedom and options down the road. Shift your mindset from being just a consumer to becoming an investor. Every purchase is a choice between instant gratification and long-term growth. Becoming wealthy starts with your budget and daily habits, not just your investment portfolio. The small decisions you make every day add up over time. Aim to save and invest a significant portion of your income, 15%, 20%, or even more if you can. Automate your savings so you never have to think about it. In the early years, your savings rate is king. The more you can put away now, the more your money can grow for you in the future. Master your cash flow, and you'll master your financial future. Remember, building wealth is less about luck and more about the habits you build today. You have the knowledge and tools, now take action. Success isn't about luck or genius, it's about discipline and consistency. The plan is simple. Invest in index funds, automate, and stay the course. Imagine your future self, grateful you started today. Every day you wait is a day lost to compound interest. The best time to start was yesterday, the next best is now. Open a brokerage account and set up an automatic investment. Even $25 is enough. You're officially an investor. Keep learning, saving, and investing. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. Thank yourself later.